Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to work on the Eccentric today. This is a piece of 3/4 inch 12L14 that I had. I went ahead and centered the stock up in the 4-jaw chuck, drilled an 1/8 inch hole through it, a little bit more than half an inch, and then I offset the piece for the Eccentric 3/32, and I started to turn this down. Now this dimension here is 9/64 in, so I set my carriage stop for that, and I'm just chipping away at this coming down. So this has got to come down to a diameter of 3/8 of an inch, and I'll continue on with this, and not going to be able to see much here. Let's see if I bring you on the other side. $387, so we gotta go about 10. $375. Okay, good. And now I'm going to take this out, put this in my 3-jaw chuck, and this is going to get turned down a 1/4 inch, and that'll be a press fit into the flywheel, and the other space in between will be 3/8 of an inch, and I'll check the thicknesses and bring you back when we'll set up with the 3-jaw chuck. Alright, so that's where we are so far. Still picking at it. Sneaking up on this diameter now, trying to get this down to 1/4 of an inch. Got 5/1000ths to go, and 71. Yeah, it's plenty big. Okay, and just got to part this off now. All right, I lost some footage making the Eccentric, but what I had to do was drill that with a 256 drill and tap that for 256, and here it is. Loctited in the flywheel. Uh, just some of the red Loctite. That's number 271, I think it is. 271. Yeah, I put that on there, and that's on there good now. So, all right. So the eccentric is done in the flywheel, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you back here soon.